Inoro TV jetagwo Kate Muthoni.
Itemine ria gutigirira tharĩkĩra ria umiririe kanitha-inĩ wa ACK Witima ndikaumira ringi watinda uri muthi wa gutheria na kung'ethanĩra na roho wa tharĩkĩra kuri makanitha. Igongona-inĩ rĩrĩa ritongoririo ni muthikabu Gerard Muriithi, etĩkia a kanitha ũcio macokeririe mĩhang'o yao ya kiumia magĩtĩkĩrio kũingĩra thutha wa igongona rĩu rĩrĩa ritabanirio nja na thĩinĩ wa kanitha ũcio.
We believe as Anglicans that when a place of worship is defiled, it should be cleansed before people can start doing their worship there. We have held some counseling sessions with those who are most affected, and we have seen them now developing confidence with the church, and we can see most of them are here. We are waiting for the outcome, and we hope it will not be covered. There will be no cover up. They will let us know who had sent those officers, who had sent the goons, who had carried them here, and for what purpose.
Na rivoti ya gutheria